Okay, this is the last one. Kind of a little novel item that I think you're going to like, Will.
Okay.
Smart lock powered by NFC. And I'm not talking about wireless charging. I'm talking about powered from the small amount of energy output from NFC that you would typically use for payments, providing enough power to push up a padlock.
So there's no battery in there.
No.
You don't have to charge it.
No. Go ahead, Will. You love it.
Yeah, this is very cool.
So you just hold your phone up to it, and there's a little graphic showing you filling the necessary power. Boom. Unlocked. Lovely. Now.
And it's like a size of a regular lock.
Padlock, yeah. You would put on a locker or on a fence or something along these lines. I presume it could be a simpler contraption because, like you said, it wouldn't have such a need for ports. I don't think it would have to have any ports on it. Now, maybe you would want a port as like a backup if for some reason this aspect failed. I don't know. This technology has been there for a minute, but this is a new chip called Infineon NAC 1080, which now other lock makers can actually license and include in their products so that you can see this feature roll out at a greater scale where you would see it show up in the hardware store and wherever else you would order or buy these things. A nice little tap, Will.
Yeah.
Get your stuff unlocked, move on with your life. Now, granted, that lockpick guy on YouTube,
Lockpicking lawyer?
Lockpicking lawyer is going to look at this. He's just going to point at it and it's going to get unlocked. Like, he's just going to squeeze it and he's going to be like, I do not recommend.
Yeah.
But that's the case. Convenience and security, they do not go hand in hand. You got to give something up to get something else. Just ask Apple, privacy, Mark Zuckerberg, so on and so forth. Thank you very much to everybody who joined here today. Thank you to Willie Doo for staying 5 minutes late. Thank you to Mo, who couldn't be here with us today.
Yeah.
We appreciate everybody. And we especially appreciate you for joining us, given the fact that it's we're bracing ourselves for social media winter.
Yeah.
And we're going to need all the support we can get. Thank you very much.